everybody, and I just want to welcome you here to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to see me again. And I just want to put it out there that I do apologize. I'm still learning. I was unable to locate certain footage to show you different things that I did on here, so I will do my best to show you what it is that I did and give you the step-by-step how I did that. And let's not forget that the music that you hear in the background also is my original music, and I hope that you enjoy it. I hope you like it, and I am setting up my different musical outlets, so please look forward to that soon. But for right now, this is a project that I had in my last video, and I wanted to show you exactly how I did it. So by all means, please ride with me, and I'll show you how to make this beautiful candle holder slash plant holder. Okay, so here is the part where I was kind of telling you I had lost that footage. So I wanted to slow this down just a bit to give you an idea of how I got this kind of black rope around and this white rope wrapped around the vase. So I used this rope here to kind of wrap it around the vase, and there was a bit of a gap between the bowl and the vase before I put this black piece around it. So I kind of just wrapped it around in that gap, and then I made it a little snug, and I used my glue stick to hold it. And then once I had that wrapped around the way that I wanted it, I kind of, not too tight, but just snug enough, I wrapped it around the vase, as you can see. And then when I get to the bottom, I really just kind of pulled it rather tightly, wrapped it around. I didn't use the glue gun to do that. I just wanted to get enough of it around, and then I used the glue gun towards the end and just kind of finish that off. Now, the black rope at the top, I unraveled this here. I didn't use it the way that it is. I actually unraveled it first, and I braided it. So you want to make sure that you kind of measure the size out first with it being braided, because if not, it might be too short. I painted it with this acrylic black paint, and then made sure to get it nice and snug, and use the glue stick to make sure that it stayed, and that's how I did that. The finished product. I'm really proud of it. I think it turned out very nicely, and I really hope that you enjoyed the video. So come back and see me again, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.